seems like this is like the main downtown. Oh, that's a nice building, see? Oh, this is Stephen Point. Beautiful homes. Oh my goodness. They look like old homes. Oh, look at this house. That looks pretty. Was that a area?
Well maintained.
Well maintained, and then you can go that way, see?
Okay.
Those beautiful homes. Yeah, these are nice, beautiful homes here in Stephen Point. Nice homes. There you go. It says downtown Stevens Point.
Are we going that way then?
Just go, yeah, let's go that way. Downtown. You go a little slower. Whoa, what's this building here? Is that like a museum? Oh, it's for rent. Wow. That
Money
looks
pit.
like a castle.
Money pit.
Money.
That's all I see. Look at that. Look how much work just the exterior needs. Imagine the inside.
It's a historical building, hon.
Yes, it is, hon. Money pit.
That's a nice church in there. So this is post office. Okay, folks. So here are Jessica and Jeff, Sinna. We are driving downtown Stephen Point. Never been here before. First time. One thing that I noticed is that they have a lot of beautiful old buildings. And one of them was for sale. And you heard him. Money pit. Beautiful. So this is the old town, seems like. A lot of old buildings. Wow, look at this. That's nice. Whoa. It's very narrow streets, huh?
Old town.
Central Wisconsin Children's Museum. Oh my goodness. I would like to come here in summer. That would be nice. Look at those buildings. It's beautiful. Okay, folks, so Jessica in Wisconsin. Today we happen to be here at Stephen Point. First time here, and so far I like it very much. It has a lot of beautiful buildings, as you can see. Look at this. It looks so pretty. This is downtown Stevens Point. Once again, thank you for watching Jessica in Wisconsin. Thank you so much to the new subscribers here. Jessica in Wisconsin, Jeff and Jess Sinna. Look at these beautiful buildings, guys. Just wanted to, for you guys to see them physically a little closer. That is really pretty. Streets a little more narrow. This is the Portage County Library. Modern. It looks pretty. I'm gonna go all the way there so you can see the architecture. So pretty. It seems like they do have a lot of stuff going on here downtown Stephen Point. Just to give a heads up. So if you've never been here before, like I have, definitely come and see it. Check it out. It is definitely a place to come and see. If you like architecture, if you like old towns like I do, this is the place to come and check. Just FYI, people. Look at this. I'm going to show you these buildings here. These are actually quite good. and pretty. Let's see. See how pretty that is? And this is the Central Wisconsin Children's Museum. Still here in Stevens Point. Beautiful downtown. Wow, that is the Citizens National Bank. Look at that. That is so pretty. Wow. Pretty, guys. Look at that. This is my first time here in Stevens Point, I will be honest. And I like it so far. I think this is one of my favorite places in Wisconsin because it has a lot of old buildings, a lot of beautiful architecture. And this is just like downtown Wisconsin, Stevens Point. Reminds me a little bit of La Crosse, but this one definitely has a lot more beautiful buildings. See? So we're still driving here in Stevens Point, guys, Wisconsin. Even my husband says that it looks a little more cozier, you said?
Well, compared to La Crosse, where you were just describing.
Yeah, it looks, I like it a lot over here. Never been here before, first time. It looks beautiful. Look at all of this. Downtown. They have a lot of shops. There's a lot to do here, people. Seems like.
Interesting little area here.
Yeah, seems like a downtown. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And a lot of murals, which is really good too. We're gonna come one in the corner so you get to see. Look at that, Stevens Point. Nice. So it seems like there's a lot of bars here. I'm sure in summertime it's busy. Busy.
I'm sure just about any time school's in session, it's busy.
Oh, because it's a college town, right? So one of the facts that I got to find out about Stevens Point is that it's about 80,000 people. It is a college town, so I'm sure there is a lot of drinking to do here. But I hope you guys enjoy these videos, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. Jessica in Wisconsin, Jeff and Jess, Sinna. And we are just traveling here in Wisconsin, just driving. We'll see you next time.